So we went to Eden, New South Wales last week and nagstay kami sa Discovery Park Eden in Boydstown, New South Wales. Bali 3 hours drive siya away from Canberra. And yun, nagstay kami dito for 2 days and 1 night in a deluxe 2-bedroom cabin with a water park view. And yung price niya is $184.50 if you're a member. If not, the price is $205. So, yung mga facilities dito includes badminton, basketball, and tennis courts, as well as yung bouncing pillow and playground for kids. Meron din silang resort-style swimming pool, pero hindi namin yun ginamit kasi nga winter and malamig. Kaya ang ginawa namin is naglakad na lang kami para makita yung sunset and ayan, papunta kami sa beach. And ayan yung tinuluyan namin. So, ito yung loob. So, complete na siya. Meron ng microwave, cooking pots and pans, cutleries, plates, cups. Meron ding electric water heater, dishwasher, dishwashing soap. Ang kailangan nyo na lang talaga dalhin is yung mga lulutuin nyo. Kaya perfecto for families and friends looking for a quick getaway outside sa busy lifestyle. We weren't able to check all the tourist spots dito sa Eden kasi yun, kulang din yung time namin. Pero nakapunta kami doon sa lookout dito. Actually, wala masyadong tao kasi nga winter. And anyway, yun nga, nakapunta kami doon and I think better check Google kung kailan yung best time to go to Eden, especially for whale watching. So, ayun, meron din silang ditong Killer Whale Museum, which is, I think, next time, kung pagbalik namin dito, yun yung pupuntahan namin and yung iba pang tourist spots. And then, rin kami, punta sa isang fishing spot. So, nag-fishing yung asawa ko tsaka yung friend namin, si Kuya King, and ayan, ayun. So, marami din naman silang nahuling isda pagbalik nila around 5 to 7 p.m. Anyway, ito nga pala yung bathroom. So, yan. Meron siyang washing machine, dryer, and yun. Nakakatuwa kasi nga hindi ko expected na halos, yun nga, wala ka na talagang dadalhin. Pagkain na lang. Kasi meron na ring towels, blankets, and yun, sheets. And meron din sila kung mag-i-stay ka ng matagal dito for a week. Meron din silang sampayan. So, yun yung nakakatuwa dito. And actually, this is the first time na out of town kami and na kailangan naming mag-rent ng place to stay. Actually, hindi naman kami nag-pay nito. Ang nag-pay nitong accommodation namin is yung friend namin. Thank you sa sponsor, Ate Cheng and Kuya King. So, yan pala yung playground. Actually, may 2 playground dyan. Tapos, ayan yung sa right side is yung swimming pool area. So, if you would like to check out this place, ililink ko na lang below yung website.